Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I just want to say that we've been doing pretty good on the channel, and I was at Brayden's house, and we were going to upload a video, but we forgot to. So yeah, hopefully y'all don't get mad. That'd be like our third or fourth video with him. And yeah, so like in a other video. So this is my fidget spinner. Brayden has some fidget spinners that he don't want. I got this fidget spinner and a green one. And so yeah, we'll be doing a giveaway. If you guys want this fidget spinner and the green one and one of his fidget spinners. So yeah, all you have to do is subscribe, turn on your notifications, and like this video. Comment down below and say fidget spinners, and we will have that ready for you. And you guys will be lucky guys. And the only way that we're gonna be getting more fidget spinners is if we hit 1,000 subscribers. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, me and him planned out to buy a whole bunch of fidget spinners and some Amazon gift cards and probably some hoverboards, I think that's what he says. But that's only if we hit 1,000. But we will be giving these away for our lucky contenders, though. That'll probably be like next week or probably in a couple of days. We'll be giving these away. So all we have to do is subscribe and get 1,000, and we will get some more of these. And hopefully you guys start your own YouTube channel, and I will definitely subscribe to you. But the stupid thing is that YouTube has us get like 1,000 subscribers before you make money, like about $50 or so. So we need to hit 1,000 so we can start making money. Buy you fidget spinners, and so we can buy you fidget spinners, and we could buy you guys some other stuff, hoverboards. So that would be our giveaway and Amazon gift cards. But we might buy a PlayStation 4 and give it out to y'all. So all you have to do is smash 1K subscribers and give likes and turn on your notifications for every video we make. And you guys have to comment down below to what you guys want. But first, you have to get 1K subscribers. 1,000 subscribers if you want this. And if you want other ones. And other stuff like Amazon gift cards, fidget spinners, hoverboards. You can get free Xbox Live or whatever live you want, gold stuff. And we'll get you Xbox Gold or PlayStation 4 Gold or whatever gold you guys want. But we have to get 1K subs before we do any of that. So if you guys want all that stuff, you have to smash that subscribe button and that like button and turn on your notifications. You gotta comment down below which you want. First, you gotta get 1K subscribers. Okay. Okay. That'll be the end of this video. So please like and get 1K subscribers for fidget spinners, Amazon gift cards, PlayStation, and hoverboards. So yeah, get 1K for them. Smash that subscribe button, comment down below. So peace.